What's up guys, welcome to the next tutorial of the series Programming in R, and in this tutorial we will see how these if-else statements work, and we will also define some if-else statement in the coming few minutes. So first of all, let us see that what is if-else statement. So like the a decision making is an important part of programming, so this decision making can be achieved in any kind of programming language with the help of these conditional statements, with the help of these if-else statements. So these if-else statements, like you can see here, I have provided the syntax of all the different types of if-else statements. Like you can see, this is a normal, a single if statement, this is an if-else statement, and this is a nested if-else statement. So you can see that here, if the test expression is correct, then statement 1 is run, and on the other hand, if the test expression is correct, then statement 1 is operated, else the statement 2 will be operated. And here in the case that if test expression 1 is correct, then statement 1 will be operated, otherwise statement 2, and otherwise statement 3. So this is the basic syntax of using a single if statement, of using an if-else statement, or using an if-else nested statement. So now we will create an if-else statement or a conditional statement, and we will see how does it work. So we will define, let us say we will define a number that x is equal to 0, and now we will use the if-else statement over here. So if there is a test expression 1 that we are going to provide, if x is less than 0, then you have to print if x is less than 0, print negative number, else if this is a kind of nested statement that we are going to use here, else if, and another second test expression, and if x is greater than 0, then print the positive number, then print the positive number, and again the else statement over here, and then the test expression 3, that if x else, okay, we need not to provide here anything, and we can directly print the else, print 0. So here we have created a conditional operator, a nested if-else operator. Let us see what it prints. So run the whole command, and you can see that here we have defined the x variable over here, and we have used the control statement, that is, if x is less than 0, then it will print the negative number. If x is greater than 0, then it will print the positive number, else it will print the 0. So since here x is equal to 0, so it has printed the 0. So this is the way how the control statements work. These are very useful in any programming languages. So these are the basic functions of these if-else statements. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.